Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer shelf in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer shelf. There are two identical shelves used in this refrigerator in the freezer compartment. Both are located in the upper portion of the freezer section. The main reason to replace the freezer shelf is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the shelf, we need to lift up the front end, slide it out, and remove it. This is the old freezer shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new shelf, we need to bring it in about halfway, then we place it down that the hooks will engage there and slide it back all the way. And now when we're done, let's close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.